This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by asking the iPhone user to create and share a Facetime link. This is required. Once you get the link, tap it in your Android browser. Chrome or Edge works best. When prompted, enter a display name so others know who joined. The browser version does not need an Apple ID because you join as a guest. However, make sure your browser has camera and microphone permissions enabled. This gets you into the waiting room where the host can admit you to the call. Once admitted, configure audio and video quickly. Allow camera and microphone access if you haven't already, then choose front or rear camera via the on-screen control. If audio is weak, toggle speaker or plug in headphones. This improves clarity. Make sure to close other apps that use bandwidth, and once done, confirm your network type. 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a strong LTE/5G connection reduces lag. If the host has screen share enabled, wait a moment for it to load. Otherwise, continue the conversation normally. To end, tap the red hang up button. The host will see you leave. If you encounter no audio or video, first reload the page and regrant camera/mic permissions in your browser settings because browsers can block access unexpectedly. If the connection stutters or drops, switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa and rejoin using the same link. The host can admit you again. One key tip: if admission fails, ask the iPhone host to resend the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.